How to make and create planner presentation on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com and log into your account. Now go to the top right here, click on create a design and search for presentation. Click on it. It will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do here, go on the side here and scroll down until you find the planner presentation. Click on see all and choose a template. You have many templates right here. Let's choose, for example, this one, and now add from here. For example, this is the first page. Click here to add the second page. Let's choose, for example, this one, the third page, this one, and now you can edit all those pages as you want by clicking easily and fast. You can edit everything. After you finish editing and all these, go to the top and click present. Click present right here and you will be able to start your presentations from here easily, as you can see. Very easy and fast and so professional. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.